Hey there. So you're thinking about buying your first home? That's a big move, and probably a little overwhelming. But don't worry. This is your step-by-step guide to make it feel simple, smart, and doable. Whether you're just starting to dream or already pre-approved, these steps will help you go from renter to owner with confidence. Step 1. Know your why. Are you buying to live in the home long-term? To build equity, to rent out part of it, or just to stop paying rent? Knowing your goal will shape every decision you make. This is the foundation of your plan. Step 2. Know your number. Forget the max budget a lender offers you. What monthly payment actually feels sustainable? Think beyond just the mortgage. You'll need to factor in taxes, insurance, maintenance, and life. Your number needs to protect your peace of mind, not just your pre-approval. Step 3. Understand your local market. Every city plays by its own rules. In some places, you'll need to move fast with aggressive offers. In others, buyers have leverage. Find out if sellers are paying closing costs, if homes are sitting or selling in days, and what kind of competition you're up against. Step 4. Build your yes fund. This is not just about the down payment. You'll need to cover closing costs, inspections, potential moving expenses, and maybe some immediate repairs. Set aside more than you think you'll need, and you'll never feel cornered during the process. Step 5. Choose your agent carefully. This person is your guide. Not all agents are created equal. You need someone who is a great communicator, negotiates well, and truly understands your goals. Interview a few, ask how they win deals. This is business, not just someone unlocking doors. Step 6. Tour with your eyes wide open. Don't fall for pretty staging or smell good candles. Check the bones, look at the foundation, ask about the roof, turn on the faucets, feel for uneven flooring. This is your money. Treat every tour like an inspection. Step 7. Make a strategic offer. It's not always about offering the highest price. Sometimes it's about flexible terms, strong financing, or writing a clean deal. Ask your agent what wins in this market. One detail can make the difference. Step 8. Embrace the inspection. Don't fear it, use it. The inspection is your chance to really know what you're buying. Major issues, you renegotiate or walk. Small stuff, you plan for it. Either way, this is the tool that saves buyers from big regrets. Step 9. Read everything. The documents you're signing are major. The mortgage disclosures, the insurance coverage, the fine print. Don't rush. Don't assume it's just standard. Read it or ask. You're committing your money and your future. Step 10. Move in with a game plan. Set up your maintenance fund. Label your breakers. Get to know your neighbors. Keep your paperwork in one place. And take a minute to feel proud here, because you did the thing most people only talk about. Bonus tip: if you can rent out a room, a basement, or even a guest house, do it. That extra income could change everything. This is Deep Research Real Estate. Like and subscribe if you're serious about doing real estate the smart way. And drop your answer in the comments. Would you ever rent out part of your first home? Yes or no?